In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with ActiveCampaign. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the Sign document you want to connect with ActiveCampaign and click Edit. In the document editor, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to find ActiveCampaign and select it from the results. Choose the action you want the integration to perform, then click Next. Enter your ActiveCampaign base URL and API key, then click Authenticate. If prompted, sign in to your ActiveCampaign account to complete the connection. After connecting your account, choose the action you want to automate, such as create or update contact. If available, select the ActiveCampaign list where new contacts should be added and optionally assign a tag. Next, map your Jotform sign fields such as first name, last name, email address, and any other relevant fields to the corresponding fields in ActiveCampaign. Once you've finished reviewing your settings, click Save or Done to complete the integration. From now on, when someone completes and signs your document, their information will automatically sync with your ActiveCampaign account. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.